Hello and welcome to the first devlog of this project that I've been working for like 3 months. It's basically a roguelike story-based RPG. And would you like go away? Okay, so I just wanted to showcase some things and systems I've got down. First of all, let me just kill the goblin. Yeah, melee combat. I've got that down. The animation looks a bit bad. Anyway, there's more of them coming, and they're stuck. The AI also needs to be worked on. There's another one. You know what, buddy? You can stay there. Anyway, there are more things like this basic inventory system I've got down. That health stuff shows the stats, description, and something. And you can pick up items by just going there, pressing E. Yeah, there's this dash ability. These bubbles right here, you can dash, and these bubbles slowly fill up. Well, not really slowly, just like in 5 seconds or something. You can dash, a sprite kind of smokes away. Okay, just go away. Anyway, I've also got a dialogue system working. Yeah, so when you trigger the dialogue, it kind of pans there. Yeah, I'm gonna add some sound effects to the dialogue too. Anyway, and just wanted to say that all of this art is placeholder. I just found a bunch of free art, and this art is made by Analog Studios on itch.io, by the way. Good guy. And the health sprites and stuff is made by me, but that's bad. I'm planning to replace this art. So anyway, the plan is to make devlogs showcasing what I've done that time period. I'll be making a devlog after some major changes, like some things you can see, not really back and stuff, but things you can see. And I'm not gonna be spoiling the story that much.